Virgo, hello, my lovely ones. Weekly reading, weekly energy for you. Second week in January. Let's see, my loves, what we have in the store for you. Always know these are general readings. Might highly resonate with you. Might be one message or two in them that will delight you. Your card for the week, Virgo, we have the blessing in disguise. What appears to be a problem is actually part of your answered prayer. You will understand the reasons behind your present situation as everything resolves. Trust in heaven protection and infinite wisdom to answer your prayer in the best way. And underneath we have family. The situation is rooted in an emotional experience with a family member, which we can help you to understand and heal. In your mind and heart, surround this person, yourself, and the experience with calming blue light and many angels. Be open to the gifts within the situation and allow yourself to feel peace. So here we are, loves. There is progress into something here you never probably thought you will, but whatever appears right now very hard to you, you will soon understand why it is or why happened and what is going on out there. What do we have here from the cards? Let's see, my loves. These readings always know, Virgos, that are for Sun, Moon, Rising signs and Venus. Because many of you still question, is this for my sun sign? Absolutely, it's for your moon sign. If you feel connecting with this energy, yes. Two of Pentacles underneath, Fool, and the High Priestess, and the Knight of Wands. All right, loves. Virgo, you still doubt what to do. Should I care? What should I do? Your intuition speaks quite loud what to do. And that is to take it easy on the things. Go forward. Take that leap of faith into believing you. And also know that this situation is temporary. Knight of Wands. Yes, Knight of Wands represent the zodiac Sagittarius, but Knight of Wands is a situation which is not for long, as well as short energy, okay? Quick energy. So Virgo, in a big picture, is don't worry too much. Don't feel like should I not, should I go? It's more likely take it easy and let the things to unfold naturally. Okay? Here you are, Six of Swords, into that move. That was a choice here to be made and you made it. Queen of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, and Page of Swords. You know, whomever is over there, they still keeping an eye on you. Oh, you for sure will move. Oh, you for sure will make this move. Oh, you for sure you will make that choice. It's kind of Virgo, watch me. Could be a family member. I do see here Gemini energy, air energy. Doesn't really necessary. If you've been looking what to do, if you can keep moving forward, yes, go forward. This is a long-term energy, whatever you are moving towards. And if was a situation regards your work and you are thinking if you make a good decision or not, don't really bother too much to even think, because it's a good one and your intuition speaks out quite loud. So yeah, loves. But let's clarify here the Six of Swords, because for some of you might feel here like I didn't have other solution. It's always another solution or many other solutions. It's not just one, or some feel like, well, I don't have any solutions. Yes, you do. Six of Swords, Hangman. It's time for you to see the things from a different perspective. Like this Hangman. The Hangman is seeing the things upside down. And sometimes upside down might be a great way to see the things. Moon and Strength. You got this, loves. Don't be afraid of the things which didn't go the way you really wanted. Because indeed here this is a blessing in disguise. You can overcome brilliantly whatever is there. And instead of being fearful, if I done the right decision, if it's good, where I am, yes, you are in an unknown territory. Strength speaks here very strongly that instead of being afraid of what could be, it's more likely being strong for what is about to come to you. Two of Pentacles. Why you are in a doubt? Being real. Being real. Queen of Cups and Five of Wands. Your heart been all over the place and very conflicted, and you knew where you used to be, honestly, were not where you want to. So the things will improve, you know. For some of you, you move away from someone who probably never agreed with what was in your plans or your goals, your dreams. And you know, there was somebody here saying that I have my goals, I have my dreams, I have the person next to me which I can love them to the death, but if they are taking my goals and dreams, I can't give up those. So I feel here there's a Virgo here who knew clearly that somebody here will not agree, but they needed to. What's the Page of Swords here for? Two of Wands. Two of Cups and Ace of Wands. In a very short time, there is certain changes that many of you Virgos, you will adore, you will be blessed with, you will really enjoy. I feel here you don't see them yet, but they are coming. I do see within weeks, the most within months that are coming. Whatsoever, what I'm seeing here for some of you, they are coming. You, your own thing to do is to be open for them. Why I'm saying that? Two of Wands, Two of Cups, Two of Pentacles, Two of Swords is missing. For some of you, you are still in some sort of blockage of I'm not ready or I'm not good enough and things like that. You can do it way better than you think. Let's see here, an advice or a possible outcome for you. Three of Cups. I feel here there is a Virgo who will meet great people along the way, and they are very delighting with new visions of life. They will bring in the Virgo's life a lot of warm light. Four of Pentacles. You whatsoever have a vision of life quite differently than them. As you see here, we have the Sun and the Emperor, and underneath we have the Three of Swords. Very opposite energy. The child and the mature. There's a blending in here. For some of you, you need to blend in maturity and young energy. Or for some of you, you've been always the one who, you know, what I'm gathering here is like the one who made decision in the family, or the one who never had a real childhood. So you meet here people very joyful, with different views of life, with different lives, different styles of life. And the Emperor feels quite like, you know, a little too, not severe, but way too, I don't know what the right word, serious. So enjoy the little moments, because the little ones will make the bigger ones. Another thing here, don't hold it back. And learning new ways of enjoying your life, it's the way to go forward. Another thing here, many of you will meet a person which will make your life such, you know, such a turn, but you will feel very holding back, or you will hold back on that person, because either it's a big difference between you two, or a big difference of, you know, religion or nature, or could be even age, and you feel here that you are way ahead. Actually, no, loves, it's a complementary energy between you and whomever is this person. And I feel here it's a new way to live. If you in the past felt like, you know, a relationship, it's hard, you need to work hard, this will be very easy. And at one point, like you will feel like, am I with the right one, or I am in the right position of life? Yes, you are. Sometimes our life is changing because the universe wants to show you the other side, the bright side of the life. Three of Wands. And it's something here you probably manifested here when you were in certain times. So see here, it's your answer prayer. It's right here, right now. And now you have it. You know, that's how the universe, in a way or another, it's bringing you the things you wanted. And number 3, it's about learning something new. As you see here, we have 3 of Pentacles, 3 of Wands, 3 of Cups. Underneath, we had the 3 of Swords. It is not a third party here. The third party here, which the third party can be anything. The third party is learning a new way of living your life. A whole lot different one. And could be a life with not as much worry, in a very easy energy. So, my lovely Virgos, that's you. And I hope this connect with you in a way or another. But the key is to be open up. I will look really quick. Where is in the deck that Two of Swords we are missing? And let's see, where is the Two of Swords? To see more energies around this. Oh, come on, where are you? Oh, here he is. Two of Swords, Four of Wands, and Eight of Pentacles. Be open, because whatever here you need to be open is for a good energy that will work in a very beautiful way. So yeah, loves, that's what I got for you this week. Blessings. And of course, if you really enjoy this reading and the energy I'm bringing in, let me know down below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it to know as many people in this world. Namaste.